morning. I am out at Tawharanui this morning, just taking a little walk, getting some fresh air before getting into some work. Lots of seagulls around. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning, and see what we can see. Oh my god, the cutest thing! The pairable oyster catchers have got babies. Oh my gosh, it's like the cutest time to come out here. Oh my gosh, they're like grey and fluffy and oh, they're so cute. I have never seen them before. Give you a look. Oh my god, that's probably one of the cutest things we've seen in ages. There's lots of cute little birds around, it seems, at the moment. I've never seen oyster catchers though. How special!